my name is Alejandra and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved these big, tight, fluffy curls. Anyways, I'm not going to keep you guys long and let's just go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to show you guys the things that you need in order to achieve the curly hair. So the first thing that you're going to need is any kind of heat protectant. I use this L'Oreal Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray. Just looks like this. Then you're also going to need some dry shampoo. Then you're going to need your hair brushes. I like to just use a regular brush and then a little comb that looks like this, a hair clip like this, and a scrunchie or a hair tie, whatever you use. Lastly, the thing that's actually going to get you your curly hair is this wand right here. This is the bedhead wand and it's this tiny. I'll link it down below just in case you guys want to get it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is brush out my hair, and I always start at the bottom just to make sure to not pull my hair, and I'm going to brush all the way through to make sure that I don't have any tangles, or else whenever you're curling your hair, we all know how that goes. So I usually part mine in the middle. That's how I like my hair to be parted. I'm going to take the section that I'm not using and I'm going to be tying it off just like that. And then now the part that I am going to be focusing on, I'm going to be spraying it with heat protectant, focusing on the tips more than the actual top of the hair because that's kind of what the heat touches more. And then just some dry shampoo to give us a little texture at the top. And then I'm just gonna work that product into my hair. We're gonna brush our hair again because it does get tangly. And then we're going to section our hair off. So for this, I like to keep like half of it down, and then I put this hair up. So then we have our hair parted into 3 sections. If you want the curls tight and short, you're going to have to make sure that you get thin pieces. So this is going to be my first piece right here. We're going to grab the wand and I'm going to start wrapping it around, but also be careful that whenever you wrap it around, that the piece that you have in your hand, this is really hard to explain, that the piece that you have in your hand, you're not twisting it too much. So you're just going to twist it around the wand. And then as you can see, I need more space. So I'm going to push this up and then make sure that all the hair is fitting. And then curl it over here at the top. And I'm just going to hold it here. And then I'm going to let it go. And then here is our first curl. As you can see, it looks like a curly fry. Then we're just going to put that back. And then grab another piece. The same width, and then we're going to curl this piece again. So just wrap it around the wand. And another trick of mine is that whenever it's on the wand, I make sure that I scrunch the hair together, because if it's spread out against the wand instead of being tightly compact like this, then it's going to make your curl longer instead of shorter. And I'll show you guys right now whenever it comes off. You see how this curl is nice and curly and short? That's what we want. I'm going to go ahead and finish this piece. Here are my curls so far. I haven't run my fingers through them. I haven't added anything. There's just what they look like after I've been curling them. For the top, I like to start even closer to the tip because you're going to be able to see that more. And then I'm going to be twirling my hair away from my face. And then I'm going to be holding it going this way though. Make sure not to twist the wand too much, because if you twist it too much, the curl's gonna look weird. And look at how much it shrinks my hair, guys. So my hair is this length, it goes all the way down here, and the curls are here. It does make your hair like so much shorter, so that's why I like doing these curls. And we're going to start on the other side. We're going to spray our heat protectant, then we are going to spray some of this dry shampoo, then we're going to brush the hair out. section our hair into 2 pieces, and then I'm going to start curling this. I guess I could curl this one first just for the heck of it. We're going to grab our comb and we are going to brush this top section down, but you're going to do it little by little, just like that. Then we're going to go on this side and we are going to brush it down as well, just like that. So you see how it automatically makes it look better. And then on this side as well. And now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the side of curls. We're going to pull them apart, kind of. We don't want to run our fingers like this through it because then our hair is going to get really frizzy. And I also like wearing it like this, guys. Even though whenever I curl my hair, I do it in the middle. I like to later on mess it up and bring it to the side. So that's what my curly hair looks like, guys. And some of the ways that I like to style them is adding these little cute clips. I have this one right here. And then I have this pink one. And we're going to put 2 of these on today to make it look like that. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way, you will be notified every time that I upload a new YouTube video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!